Important universal gate, that is known as NOR gate. This is NOT gate plus OR gate. Okay, and its symbol is like this. This is the NOR gate. This is OR gate. Two inputs A and B, and here it is bubble. Bubble for NOT gate. So its Boolean expression y is equal to A or B bar. Okay, and it's as we have two inputs, you can say that 2 raised to 2, that is equal to 4 possible combinations, and that 4 possible combinations are represented in this truth table. So this is truth table, which we have inputs are A and B. I am also writing some intermediate output, that is A or B. Okay, and final output y is equal to A or B bar. So these 4 possible combinations are 0 0, 0 1, 1 0 and 1 1. Now we already performed this A or B. So when A or B or both the inputs are high, we will get output is equal to 1. Okay, and this is the bar of this function. So bar or inverted means if you are having 0, so you write 1. If this is 1, you write 0, 1, write 0, 1, write 0. And we have to draw the waveforms of this NOR gate. Okay, so these waveforms are, we are having two input. So this is A logic 0 and logic 1, B logic 0 and logic 1. Then this A or B logic 0 and logic 1, and A or B whole bar logic 0 and logic 1. So I am just plotting as we are having 2 continuous 0. So this is 2 continuous 0. Okay, and then 2 continuous 1. Okay, then again 2 continuous 0. In the case of B, it is 0 1 0 1 toggling. Fine. So A is 0, B is 0 and then 1 and 0 and then 1 and 0 and 1, like this. So these are 2 0 1. This is 0 1 0 1. Now output A or B is up to this, you will get output is equal to 0, and then next you will get output is equal to 1 and then 0. Fine. So 0 1 1 1. This is 0 1 1 1. And in the case of this A or B bar, whole bar, so you will get, if this is 0, you have to plot this as logic 1. So this is 1, and if this is 1, you have to draw 0. This is 1, so 0, 1 to 0. So you plot over here and then moving towards. This we have to verify using this gate. Okay.